If you're seeing a Facebook query error when posting, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you a quick and simple fix that can help you get posting again in just a few moments. This is a really common issue, and most of the time it can be solved with a few basic troubleshooting steps before you try anything more advanced. So if you've been stuck on an error message and your post just won't go through, stay with me and follow along step by step. And before we jump in, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's start with the first fix. The first thing you want to do is refresh the page. On your keyboard, simply press F5 or use the refresh button in your browser. Sometimes Facebook just needs a quick reload to clear a temporary loading issue, and that alone can fix the posting error right away. After refreshing, try posting again and see if the problem is gone. If the error is still there, the next thing to check is your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can cause Facebook to fail when you try to submit a post, especially if the page is timing out or not communicating properly with the server. Make sure you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi network, or if you're on mobile data, check that your signal is strong. You can also try opening another website to confirm that your connection is working normally. Now, if your internet is fine and you're still getting the query error, the next step is to clear your browser cache. Over time, browsers store old data that can interfere with how websites load and function. If Facebook is pulling in outdated files, that can sometimes trigger posting errors. To fix that, open your browser settings, find the option to clear browsing data, and clear the cached files. Once that's done, close and reopen your browser, sign back into Facebook, and try posting again. These three steps, refreshing the page, checking your internet connection, and clearing your browser cache, solve the issue for many users. So if you were looking for a fast way to fix the Facebook query error when posting, this is the best place to start. Take your time, go through each step in order, and test the post again after each one so you can see which fix works for your device. If the problem continues after that, you may want to try a different browser or device, because sometimes the issue is specific to one setup. But in most cases, one of the basic fixes I just showed you will get Facebook working properly again. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more easy tech fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.